Everyone, it's Chris O. I'm just setting myself up here. This is my height. That's going to be the height of my linear drain, sitting on the concrete like that. My tile will be coming down flush like that. Nice. I've set up my laser level, so that's where is my line. Move a few things. I've got a few buckets in the road, so it's a little bit of a problem, but no biggie. There we go. I hope you can see that. My line is on the line, so that is my height of the strip drain. I'm coming out like that. My hole I'll be drilling in there roughly, because there's the edge of the screen, so I want to make it, there's the edge of the bath. This is all a little bit tricky, let me explain. The owner wants the shower in the middle, so what I need to do is the shower screen goes there, the bath is there, the bath is going to be open, so you're showering away. There's going to be untold water going into the bath from the splash when you're washing your hair, and I need to, that's where the edge of the bath is, so I need to bring this floor just slightly so it runs into the strip drain. I don't want water sitting back there. So what I'll be doing is putting my aluminium water stop straight across there. So this will be the whole wet area. It's not the conventional bathroom, but hey, it can be done. Nothing is impossible. So I'll be cutting my linear drain 100 mil short, because I like to slope the tile into the linear drain. Let's start by getting my heights first, and I'll show you as we go. Another glove. You always have water down for your pads and glue. When I took this floor up, if you like to see back when I was taking the floor up, it had no slurry under it whatsoever. It was a very badly done floor. Let's just sprinkle out a bit of... I've made that line because that's my screen. That's the edge of my bath. always use a tile. It's a lot more accurate. Run out of room. Run out of room a little bit. Okay, we're away. Good one. I'm not going to I'm not going to be using untold mud. So for my fall, that's all right for fall. I should come up just a little. I want to be hard down to the concrete, like that for my fall. So let's just build it up just a little. So I have a little bit of guts under my tile. Doesn't have to be much. Let's lift everything. Make a new mark. Cross that one out. Using a laser level is way more accurate than any level. Okay, let's hit the line. That's nice. That is my finished height. There, see that? And then it just gives me a little bit of meat, so I can give it some fall into that pipe. That's cool. Right. Pop a bit of water there, bit more glue. Let's get our pad there. Another one there. Wear gloves. Wear gloves if you can, DIYs. It doesn't dry out your hands so much. Right, one there. One at the doorway. Like so. What's the length of my level? Once you've got all your height pads, everyone, you're laughing. I'll do that height pad last so I don't move my laser level. When I used to mix sand and cement separately, I always had cement as my slurry, but now I buy this bagged stuff. I use glue. That, like that, right, I'm going to come down 20 mil. This is the best way to get absolute accuracy DIYs. That'll do me. On the line is fine. When you're a beginner, you'll have trouble getting that pad flat. Just be aware of that, or level, I should say. So just be aware of it. Okay, on the line is fine. I didn't know it, but I was a poet. Or a Wally, one or the other. No, that's cool. Way more accurate than a level, because you can be slightly out with your level, and you know, you only got to be 2 mil out or 1.5 mil up, and then 1.5 mil down the other way, and you're 3 mil out. Remember that, DIYs. Oh, I've got to go way down. Okay, that's on the line nicely. Just check exactly that I'm using the same line all the time. I'm going to the same line. I just want to check this. If in doubt, check. Good one. One more to go. Got that one. I'll do that one. I can do that one with a level if I have to, because it's only one. It's going to be a little bit too high, I think. Yep. Always use a pad like that, people, when you're setting your heights, because it's a lot more accurate. Nice. Nice. Now, with me being able to be down lower like that, it's not going to be a huge ramp up. I'm going to be ramping it at the door here, so I'll be able to show you that. People have asked for me to show that to be done. I've sort of carried on and not showed that as an example, you know, as a thing to do. So this time I'll be showing people. Okay, I'll come back to you soon. I'll just throw out some mud and I'll show you how I screed it off. See you soon. Yo.